Brett Williams, Excel Prime, dealing with the value error. What's the value error? When you try to add, subtract, or any kind of function C5 plus C6, and you have the dreaded NA. All right? Ain't gonna happen. You're gonna get this value error. Here, we have a white space. C9 plus C10, value error. Here, we have E date, and we're going B14 to 3. B14, E date, B13, 3. 3. Okay, B13 is a text. See that? You're going to get that value error. What are you going to do? You fix it. Here's the correction. E date, okay, make sure this is a valid date. Make sure you have something in your cell, all right? Make sure it's a number. You know, you cannot add text to numbers using simple sum. Here, this is just 5, 6, 5 plus 6, and value error gone. That's it. Just be aware, you're going to run into value errors repeatedly. Fix them. Go back and fix them. It's generally a typo. If you don't fix them, kapowie, your system is going to blow up. You can incorporate some other tools here. Read it. Okay. And white space, what happens with white space? You can use is blank. You can do if. You can incorporate your if statements here. If blank. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.